What is going on, guys? So, I mean, I've been sick for the past couple days, so if I sound a little bit, like, nasally, it's because I am. I got another part from Wish, so I'm gonna get to doing that. I'm trying out a different camera. That's why it's all, like, wide angle, so we're just gonna see if this camera's a little bit better quality-wise. Yeah, let's get started with opening this new part. I already know what it is. So, when you get your car, it comes with like a really cheap reverse lockout. So I wanted to get a nicer one. And I got this one from Wish and it said it was a red aluminum reverse lockout. That is a really nice quality piece right there. It's actually metal. I'm surprised about that. Wow. So I got this for like $5 off of Wish because I didn't want the cheap plastic one, and you know, this adds a little bit of color. Wow, I'm impressed by this already. This is really nice looking. So yeah, I'm gonna install this. I don't really know how to install it, so I'm gonna look up a quick tutorial on how to because I've never done this and I don't even know if I'm gonna have all the tools to do it, but we're gonna find out. So every video that I've seen, they've had a hammer and a push pin thing, and I don't really have that, so I'm gonna try using a really small Allen key and just a regular wrench to punch it out. Hopefully that works good enough. I guess we're gonna find out. They say first things first is to put it in reverse. Take your shift knob off. Take that off. Find a piece that fits. These ones are pretty little. And start beating the shit out of it. Alright, this is a lot harder than I thought it was. I think I'm actually gonna need a hammer. I'm trying to just beat it in with like a regular tool in this. I'm dripping sweat. I didn't think it was this hot out today. It's 82 apparently. And I had to close my door because people kept walking by and saying, "Nice car, bro." And I'm over here just trying to like beat the shit out of my like gear shift, trying to get this to work. It was kind of weird. Yeah, so pretty much what I'm trying to do is you stick, there's a little hole right here, and then you stick this in there, and you're just supposed to beat the shit out of it until, I don't know if you can see, the other side pops out. When the other side pops out, you just pull this up, and then you put the new one on. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to do it without a hammer, but I'm gonna keep trying. I definitely got some progress, but not a lot. I definitely think I'm just gonna need a hammer for this. Because apparently, I'm swinging this wrench pretty hard, but apparently it's not hard enough. Went to the store, got my hammer. I don't know why, but everyone's complimenting my car today. Like at the store, some guy was like just like snooping around. He was like, "I really like that." I'm like, "Thanks, dude." For anyone wanting to change the reverse lockout, I'm gonna say, don't worry about changing it. I mean, I really want to change mine because I already have the part right here, and I kind of like how it looks. This is a lot more work than I would have ever expected for this. I thought it was going to be a part that, you know, you unscrew your knob and then unscrew that, and that was about it. I went out and bought a hammer. Oh, apparently Dollar Store sells saws, but they won't sell hammers. Yeah, but I've been hammering at this for like 15 minutes now, and I don't think I've gotten anywhere. I don't know if I need I'm going to try a bigger key. Get more surface area. I don't know. I'm having a lot of trouble with this right now though. Just for reference of how hard I'm hitting this thing, I bent my Allen key and I'm still getting nowhere with it. Like, I'm destroying my hammer right now. I've destroyed my Allen keys. I don't even know what to do. I have a couple ideas I gotta try, but that's gonna be for a later time. I really do not want to take the L on this, but I might have to. This is so much more work than I thought it was gonna be. I've been hammering at this for like 40 minutes now, and I don't think I made any progress with it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, if I'm doing anything wrong. This is crazy. This sucks. Looks like I gotta take the L for the day. Probably gotta take it to like Walmart or something to get a pin to push it out with. Let's see how it goes. Day 2 of trying to get this done, and I got a pin punch set. So So hopefully this works a little bit better than a broken Allen key. So I'm gonna try again hammering it. So I guess the move is, if you're gonna do this, get a pin punch thing. So after probably 5 minutes of hammering that, I finally got it right there. I'm not sure if you can see it right here. So I just gotta finish hammering that out. Take my shift knob off, and I'm ready to change them out. Definitely a lot more work than I anticipated of how hard you have to hammer this. Even if it's stuck out like a quarter of the way, it's still a lot of hammering and a lot of work. I don't get the videos of people doing like 3 swings. After another 20 minutes of hammering, you get your damn pin out. That little piece of shit. And then this is supposed to slide right off with the boot. And that comes right off. And you don't have to use this cheap plastic one, because now you got this cool metal one. That goes right there. Then you slide it on, and you have to get that little nut ball pin back aligned with all the holes. And don't do what I did. I accidentally had my boot all the way like shoved up in there, so I thought I broke my reverse lockout, but it lifts and it works now. I just have to work on getting the pin all the way in, and then just putting everything back together, and that should be it. Yeah, my advice is, if you don't have to do this, don't do it. That was a lot more work than I was expecting it to be. I mean, or maybe, I guess I was also just afraid to swing as hard as I was. Like, you gotta swing a lot harder than I thought you did. Like, it was actually a pretty full-hearted swing you have to do to get that pin out. So I was gonna finish hammering this in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Got the boot back over it. Again, a lot more work than I was expecting it to be, but I'm kind of liking how it looks. I'm just gonna turn the car on, make sure everything finds the gears and everything. And the reverse lockout, you can see, works, so I should probably take it for a little drive to make sure it actually works. Alright, so I just, just pull it up forward and reverse back again, just to make sure the reverse lockout's not fucking up and just saying it's reversing. I mean, I got this for like $5 on Wish, and honestly, quality-wise, like, it's actually a piece of like ionized, I don't know what the hell the word is, piece of metal. Well, this is the one that comes stock, is a piece of plastic. I think it looks a lot nicer, because I think the red, just complements all the other red that's in here. And yeah, with this Wish purchase, I'm very satisfied. I think it came out great. So looking at that, for $6, opposed to, I think they sell them for like $50 to $60 online, like an actual reputable brand, I'm gonna say the Wish one is pretty comparable, because it's got the good color. I actually hit with the hammer, and like, it didn't chip. It dented a little bit, oops, but it stayed red, so that's pretty good. It didn't scratch into silver or anything. It still looks pretty good. It's actual metal, so I was surprised it was metal. Overall, the work of it, I'm not sure if the work was really worth that much of a hassle. You have to hit it a lot harder than I thought. Using the punch key, whatever they're called, it definitely did help a lot more than just using the Allen key, because the Allen key, I ended up losing one because I hit it, flew somewhere, and there's not enough surface area to hit. But you definitely need like the punch key, and you definitely need a hammer for it. And it was definitely a lot of work, a lot more than I was expecting to do. But overall, I think the red accents the interior, because it brings all the red and black together a little bit more. And it's a nicer quality than the stock one. So I think it looks a lot better. Then it was just kind of troublesome getting the boot back on, but a little bit fiddling, I got it on. Alright, as always guys, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun shit that no one really does. And I'll see you guys later. See ya.